Now that we've talked about sources of funding that you can raise, let's now look at the strategy for raising money. My strategy is very simple. This is a strategy that has worked for many clients. It's similar to my roadmap formula, right? It's not too dissimilar from it, right? So for strategy, the first step, if you're going to raise money, is to target the right source. This is where I find a lot of businesses make mistakes. You target a source of funding that is not aligned to your kind of business. So you see what I've explained to you about the different kinds of funding. If, for example, you're a startup and you're going to a bank to get a loan, you're just frustrating yourself, because banks do not give money to businesses that don't have the cash flows that can pay back that loan. Banks don't give money to startups that don't have collateral to de-risk the loan that they are going to give to you. So if you keep targeting banks, if you keep asking banks for loans, you are going to be frustrated because they will never give you, because you don't have the things that you're looking for. So that's why targeting is very important. If not, you end up knocking on doors that will never open. And it's not that you don't want to open. After all, they're in the business of giving money to businesses, but you're not the kind of business that they give money to. So you need to be sure that whoever or whatever organization you're approaching for funding, you are the right fit for them. That's what targeting is about. You have to really take your time. And so how does targeting work in practice? You want to raise money from an organization that you just heard that they're accepting applications for funding. You just heard somebody shared it in a WhatsApp group. What many people do is they just go and start applying. That's not the first thing you do. The first thing you do is you go to their website, read up on who are they and what do they do. You read their mission, read their history, read their investment philosophy. Another critical part is look at the kind of businesses they've invested in before. You can Google that. Name of company, investments. Look at the kinds of companies they've invested in. Do you look anything like those companies? You may not be doing the same kind of business, but are you at the same stage? Are you all startups? Are you all growing businesses? You have to find similarity. You have to find alignment before you go ahead and approach any funding opportunity. So the moment you find that this organization doesn't give my kind of business money, why waste time to apply? That has just saved you time. Many businesses waste time and energy, precious time and energy that you need to grow your business, chasing targets that are not a good fit for them. So the first point is to target. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, join thebmg.com.